Hello, Anaya. Hello, Jamari. Hello, Sanaya. All right, Sanaya. We'll do that now. Hello, Troy. Hello, Mara. Hello, Blaze.
Yeah, Mr. White. How was your Thanksgiving?
It was all right. How was yours?
It was pretty good.
Good. Johnny. Haven't seen you in a while. Doing all right?
What's up, Wise?
You're a little behind, buddy.
I'm trying, killer.
Okay, all right. Hello, Clement.
What's up, Mr. Weiss?
What's going on? Hello, Deshaun. Hello, Ariana. All right, so now I updated your stuff. What time is it when the clock strikes 13? Time to get a new clock. How does a cucumber become a pickle? It's a very jarring experience. Hello, Devon. Hello, Alan. What do you call a boomerang that won't come back? A stick. What do you think of that new diner on the moon? They got great food, but there's no atmosphere. Why did the dinosaur cross the road? Because the chicken wasn't born yet. Hello, Xavier. Why can't Elsa have a helium balloon? Because she will let it go. How do you make an octopus laugh? With tentacles, tentacles, tentacles. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it. What's green and can fly? Super pickle. What did the nose say to the finger? Quit picking on me. What musical instrument is found in the bathroom? A tube of toothpaste. Yeah. There you go. Alrighty. Luis, good morning. Hope you've all had a nice holiday. All right. So we did this before the break. We've done two ways to solve to solve a quadratic. We've done it by factoring, right? Remember factoring? Okay. So what did we do here? What times what is 5j? 5j, I'm sorry, 5j squared. 5j times j is 5j squared. Morning, Jania. And what times what makes negative 24? I'm going to put the 8 here. plus, and we put minus 3 here. And you can do slip and slide and that kind of thing. But you get 5j minus 3 times j plus 8. So you got 5j minus 3 equals 0. You have j plus 8 equals 0. Okay. Add 3 to both sides. 5j equals 3 minus 8 to both sides here. Okay. And divide 5 over here. And you get j equals 3/5. And j equals -8. That's how you solve by factoring. May I please trouble you for a thumbs up if you remember how we do that? Can I have a thumbs up? Thank you, Clement. Thank you, Bryce. Alan, Devon, thank you. Deshaun, Jamari, Troy, Sanaya, thank you. Thank you. All right. That's it. Nobody else? All right. Let me know if you don't remember how to do factoring, okay? And then what we did just before the break was solving by square roots, which you guys had a really easy time with. Remember, you minus 7 to both sides here, and you got 3x squared equal 48. You divide it by 3, and you got x squared equals 16. Then you took the square root, okay, and you got x equal plus or minus 4, which means positive and -4, right? And can I have a thumbs up if you remembered square roots? Square roots. Good morning, Riley. Thank you, Clement.
Hello.
Hello. Square roots. Jamari, thank you. That's it. Just Jamari and Clement remember how to do square roots. Nobody else? Thank you, Deshaun. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you remember square roots? Thank you, Alan. Sanaya, thank you. Devon, thank you. Bryce, thank you. Okay. Amar, thank you. All right. All right. Johnny Wood, you good on square roots?
Yeah, I'm good.
All
How
right.
you put that? How do you put the thing into a fraction?
Are you talking about on Delta Math?
Yeah.
You just hit the slash key. It's where the question mark is next to the shift key.
Yeah, I hit it, but it only like done it under the 11. I need the whole problem. Like,
Okay, okay. Hit the slash key first before you do anything else.
got you. All right.
Hey,
Thank you.
Wise, I'm using
What's up,
Mr.
Alan?
Wise.
Yeah.
I'm using my phone, so I don't know how to do that.
All right. You're gonna need to use your laptop for this. Okay. The school's provided you a laptop, so you're gonna need to use the laptop. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Now, whoops. Now we're going to do what's called the quadratic formula. What if you're not able to you're not able to factor? What if you're not able to do it by square roots? Well, Here is a surefire way you can always do it, and it's called using the quadratic formula. Okay. So if I have 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0, here's what I do. I say there's A, B, and C. A equals 3, B equals 5, C equals -7. This is always the case, okay? So this guy is always going to be A, this guy is always going to be B, and this guy is always going to be C, okay? Can I please have a thumbs up if you understand where I got A, B, and C from? Thank you, Riley. Devon, all right.
Looking good.
Thank you, Johnny. Bryce, thank you. Jamari, thank you. All right. Clement, thank you. Deshaun, Jania, thank you. All right. Very good, very good, very good, good. Okay. So A equals 3, B equals 5, C equals 7. What you're going to do is use this formula. What? Okay. X equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Huh? This equation is actually derived from basically ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. If you want, I could derive it for you. I could show you how this all comes into play, but I'd just like you to just know that this works, okay? In fact, I would like you to take a picture of this because I don't expect you to memorize this formula. There are some teachers that believe that it's important that you memorize this. I don't. So I'm going to ask you to write this down or take a picture of it because you need to use this today. All right. So, yeah.
Gotcha.
Thank you. Or take a picture of it. So here's how it works. All right. I'm just going to fill in the numbers for the letters. Okay. So X equals -b. So it's going to be -5. B is 5. So -b is -5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times -7 all over 2 times 3. Okay, so really what I've done here is I've put those 3 numbers in for the letters. Okay. May I please have a thumbs up if you understand how I did that? I just put the numbers in for the letters. Jalen, good morning. Thank you, Alan. Marston. Deshaun, thank you. Clement, thank you. Jamari, thank you. Okay. All I did was substitute the numbers for the letters. Okay. Okay. So now we simplify. Okay. Oops. X equals -5 plus or minus square root of 25. Now, do you see that this is minus here and I have a negative here? I'm going to treat it as a negative times a negative and make it plus. Okay. 4 times 3 is 12 times 7 is 84. All over 2 times 3 is 6. And now all I have to do is finish. Just add 25 plus 84. X equals -5 plus or minus square root 109 all over 6. Okay. And what this means is, this is the answer. I'm done. Okay. This is the same as x equals -5 plus square root 109 over 6, and x equals -5 minus square root 109 all over 6. And those are two decimal answers. But all that is doing too much. We don't need all that. Forget all this fiddlesticks. I don't need that. Okay? You're done. Next. Same thing. 5x squared plus 11x plus 4 equals 0. Okay? A is 5, B
Mr.
is 11.
Wise,
Yes, talk to me, Deshaun.
so that formula that we that you just showed us earlier, that's the formula for all these.
All of them. Okay? I'm going to use it right here. Same thing. Every single time. Okay? You
You
just
just
put
won't
the,
give us the numbers.
that's it. You have to, when you see an equation, you're going to know, okay, that's going to be A, that's going to be B, and that's going to be C. Always. Okay? So here we go. A is 5, B is 11, C is 4. All right. X equals -11 plus or minus square root 11 squared minus 4 times 5 times 4 all over 2 times 5. Now I simplify. X equals -11 plus or minus square root 121 minus 4 times 5 is 20 times 4 is 80 all over 10. And now finish. What's inside the square root? X equals -11 plus or minus square root 41 all over 10. Done.
Mr. Wise,
Yes, Deshaun.
is that 80, 121 minus 80?
Yeah. Are you
I get
okay with how I got 80?
No, I get 80.
Okay. All right. Uh-oh, here it's not set equal to 0. Oh, wait a minute. I got to make this thing equal to 0. How do I do that? I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides, which means I'm going to subtract 6x from the -3x, right? And then I get 2x squared minus 9x plus 6 equals 0. May I please have a thumbs up if you understand what I just did there? Thank you, Riley. Helen, thank you. Devon, Jamari, Amar, thank you. Xavier, Bryce, thank you. Clement, thank you. Jania, thank you. Devon, thank you.
Looking good. Wise.
Thank you, Johnny. Okay. So same thing. 2x squared minus 9x plus 6 equals 0. A is 2, B is -9, C is 6. Okay. Quadratic formula. Here we go. X equals. Now, it's the negative of -9. Let me know if I just confused you there. Plus or minus square root negative 9 squared minus 4 times 2 times 6 all over 2 times 2. Okay? Simplify. X equals negative 9 is positive 9 plus or minus square root. Negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81 minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 6 is 48 all over 4. Finish. X equals 9 plus or minus 33 all over 4. Done. That was a little sloppy, sorry. There's your answer. Okay. Over here, 4x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals 8. Uh-oh, it's not set equal to 0. What am I going to do? I'm going to minus 8 from both sides. Okay, make sure you tell me if you don't understand what I'm doing. I get 4x squared plus 7x minus 5 equals 0. All right. Now, okay. 4x squared plus 7x minus 5 equals 0. Okay. A equals 4, B equals 7, C equals negative 5. All right. Put it in the formula. X equals negative 7 plus or minus square root 7 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 5 all over 2 times 4. Simplify. Negative 7 plus or minus square root 49 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 5 is 80. But remember here, I got a minus here and a minus here. So it's not minus. I'm going to make it plus. Okay. So it's going to be plus 80 all over 8. Final answer, x equals negative 7 plus or minus square root 129 all over 8. Done. Okay. All right. Now, okay, I'm going to show you that right now, Bryce. Okay. Let's take a look at what your assignment's going to look like. Okay. So, okay. Okay. 5v squared plus 17v plus 5 equals 6v. Okay. I'm going to minus 6v from both sides to get the thing equal to 0. That gives me 5v squared plus 11v plus 5 equals 0. All right. A equals 5, B equals 11, C equals 5. Okay. All right. X equals negative B, negative 11 plus or minus the square root of B squared, 11 squared minus 4 times A is 5, times C is 5, all over 2 times 5. Okay. X equals negative 11 plus or minus square root 121 minus 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. All over 10. Finish. Negative 11 plus or minus square root 21 over 10. Now, how do we put that in my answer box? Okay. Thanks to Zach Barber first period, I didn't know how to do this, and he showed me. You have to hit the divide key first. The divide key is this under the question mark, which is next to the shift key. You hit the slash key or divide first. And now I have the division, okay? So you type negative 11. You click on the plus or minus guy, and then, whoa, I didn't want to, plus or minus square root 21, and then go to the bottom, 10. Okay? Yes. Hey, oh, and that's how it works. Okay? Let me do one more with you. All right. Easy enough. Okay. K squared plus K minus 21 equals negative 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. K squared plus K minus 18 equals 0. Okay. A equals 1, B equals 1, C equals negative 18. All right. X equals negative B, negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 18 all over 2 times 1. Simplify. X equals negative 1 plus or minus square root. 1 times 1 is 1. Once again, I have minus and a minus. Minus times minus is going to make plus here. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 18 is 72. All over 2. Answer, x equals -1 plus or minus square root 73 all over 2. I type that in. -1. Oops, I forgot to do the fraction bar first. Fraction. Okay. -1. Hit plus or minus square root 73 all over 2. Yes. There we go. All right. Can I have a thumbs up if you're still good thus far? Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Riley. Devon, thank you. Thank you, Sanaya. Thank you, Clement.
You do like 2 more?
Do one more? I can do one more. Okay, I'm going to do one more. If you are confident, I want you to start your assignment. I want you to actually finish your assignment. So I only gave you 8 problems to do. Okay, so please do your 8 problems. And then I'm going to let you go after that. But no one's leaving till they're done with their 8 problems. All right. Here we go, Marston. We got 5x squared plus 16x plus 3 equals 5x. I need to get this thing set equal to 0. So I'm going to minus 5x from both sides. Stop me at any time, Marston, if there's anything you don't understand. 5x squared plus 11x plus 3 equals 0. All right, now I have A equals 5, B equals 11, C equals 3. Now I'm going to use the formula. Okay. X equals, and it's negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Right? And if you need to copy that formula again, let me know. So we have negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared minus 4 times 5 times 3 all over 2 times 5. Simplify. Negative 11 plus or minus square root 121 minus 4 times 5 is 20 times 3 is 60 all over 10. Finish. X equals negative 11 plus or minus square root 61 all over 10. Type my fraction bar first. Negative 11. Hit the plus or minus. Square root 61 all over 10. Okay, Marston? Let me know when you finish.
I did mine when she finished up like the second problem. I don't know if that was that cool or not.
Yeah, if you know, well, honestly, if you know what to do, you can start your assignment while I'm
Yeah, I
still
finished.
teaching. All right. So Jamar, you're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.
You too, man.
Okay, peace.
I finished too, Mr. Weiss.
All right, hold on a second. Troy, you're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. I'm sorry, who was that just said it out loud that they were done?
It was me.
Okay, Clement. Clement, you're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.
See, Mr. Weiss.
Peace.
Mr. Weiss, I finished.
Bryce. You're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.
See you, Mr. Weiss.
Peace. Okay, thanks, Sanaya. All right, I got a bunch of people leaving, but don't leave till you're done with your assignment. I'm not having 35 Fs this quarter. Let's go. This is assignment time now. Let's rock and roll. You have to, Xavier, you have to type the fraction key first, which is the slash under the question mark next to the shift key. You have to type that first. Please tell me if that does not help you. If you're still confused, go ahead and share your screen. I'll talk you through it. Brittany, I didn't say good morning because you were like, it looked like your computer was having a hard time logging in. I hope you're able to catch up with everything. I don't understand. Look, it still says 0 for a lot of you sitting here. What are you guys doing? Come on. Let's go. Get to work, folks. Come on. 8 problems. Get it over with and get your 100. Let's go.
Why some done?
All right, now, Sanaya, I would like you to please do like quiz 6. Yeah, quiz 6, you got 2.5.1, 2.4.1, 2.3.1. We're gonna get you 100 this quarter. Let's go. You just do quiz 6, that'll make me happy, because the thing is that when we do quizzes, that's half of your grade right there. So let's go, girl. But good job on today's assignment.
I said finished.
Xavion. Very good. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.
Mr. Weiss, I finished.
Blaze, hang on a second. Okay. Looks like you have one problem left on 2.5.1.
You remember last week I told you we kept doing, I did like 3 more
All right,
problems.
all right, don't go away. Let me just, I told you I was gonna fix that in the grade book. Let me just make sure I did that. because I don't want to forget. And so now you're forcing me, this is good. I'll go in and check. So 2.5.1, it kept making you do that, right? All right.
And
I'm gonna do-
2.6 that did the same thing, exact thing.
Right, okay.
This one, it let me finish
All
it the whole way.
All right, I'm gonna give you your 100 for both. Okay, I'm trusting you. All right. Have a good day. You're set. Say no to drugs.
All right, have a good day.
Peace.
Yo, I finished fives.
And on your, hold on a second, Alan. Alan, what about quiz 6 for you? You didn't finish quiz 6. Could you do that for me, please? Ariana, you all right over there? I see. You still got nothing going on today. Jalen, what about you? Marston, you haven't started yet. Luis, you all right over there? I don't have the last 3 assignments from you. Last 4 out of 5. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind you that the expectation is that you are to be doing your work right now. The fact that you are not is concerning. If you have a family matter or some kind of emergency that you're unable to do your work right now, you should tell me this. If you are not unable, if you are able to do your work, you need to be doing it now. Okay? I don't want to be hearing it at the end of January, at the end of the semester, when you're wanting your grade to be better and it's bad because you're not doing your work. Please get to work. It's just 8 problems I gave you. I want you to practice this.
Weiss, how do I put the division line?
It's the slash key next to the shift key on your laptop. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah, but it's not giving me the long line under the bottom.
No, it just gives you a fraction. Once you start typing on top, it lets you keep going.
I'm waiting.
Do you understand what I mean? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nah, I don't understand. Take out my answer wrong.
What?
Support motion. Basically.
My screen real quick.
Marcin, are you talking to me or are you
Yeah,
just,
yeah, yeah. I'm talking to you.
what's the problem?
I said, can I share my screen so I can show you
Yeah,
what I'm
go
talking
ahead.
about?
Yes. Go ahead. Yeah, I got you. Okay. Here's the problem. Delete the whole thing. Okay. Now press the fraction key. Press the fraction key first. There you go. Now do -9. Click plus or minus. Click square root. I think it was 41. You said, yeah. And then over there, put the 4. Now you're good. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Are you good? If you're good, can you stop sharing screen? Okay. Amar. Oh. Apparently you've already left. Marston, that message is not meant for you. All right, clearly no one is at their computer, so I am just going to end this meeting. Anyone who can hear me, you should be doing your work right now.